Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today I've got a special dessert in store for you. We are going to be making a classic chocolate chip cookie. These cookies are delicious. One of my favorites. I make these cookies far too often for my family, and they don't last long. So let me show you exactly how you can make these. I remember when I started my food blog, which turned into this YouTube channel, my family were begging me to just make some plain chocolate chip cookies. So this is one recipe that I came up with, and I'll leave that link to the ingredients and the recipe. But these are really good. They're soft. They remind me of a bakery cookie, and they're just one that I make over and over again. So get that big cup of milk ready because you will want more than one. Now let's get baking. Okay guys, we are ready to make some cookies. So grab your scooper and scoop up some of that dough. And what I do is I will space these apart. These cookies do spread out a little bit, so you want to have a total of 6 on the tray. I have mine lined with a silicone mat, but I think you could probably just lay down some parchment paper if you don't have one. At this point, your oven should be preheated to 350 degrees. And once you put it in the oven, you'll want to set your timer. That is very important. If you overcook the cookies, they will not be soft like how you want them. So make sure that you cook your cookies for, I think the magic number is 12 minutes. Yes, you'll want to cook these for 12 to 13 minutes. Now you can kind of tell the edge of it starts to get a little brown. Take them out, they're ready. You can, experiment a little bit, but I've found that around 12 minutes is good. but you will have about 3 to 4 batches of 6, so about 18 to 21 cookies. And we freeze ours a lot. My family loves frozen cookies, but I will tell you one thing. If you put these in a covered container, they will get really soft actually. So I hope you guys really enjoy these cookies. They are a favorite in my family. For years, I cooked the chocolate chip cookie recipe right off of the bag. And when I kind of was experimenting and doing some different things, I came up with these and we really love them. So I hope you love them as well. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, happy cooking.